So welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing module 4, keyword validation and selection. Oh, I feel so much excited about this course so far, and I love the results and what people have been saying about the course. I'm so much excited. All right, so for keyword validation and selection. So why keyword validation is important? Why is it important for you to validate, to know the kind of keyword you're going out for? So not all keyword are worth engaging. This is what you want to understand. Not all keyword are worth engaging. Now, if a keyword has high search volume and low competition, it may not bring traffic, it may not be valuable traffic. Validation helps you choose the best keyword for ranking and monetization, right? I know I've been saying low competition, high volume, low competition, high volume, but validation is what will give you the traffic, is what is going to validate. Because remember, what we're trying to get is for to know, okay, this particular keyword is healthy and it's going to give me monetization potential. Now, step by step process. And the first one is to check the search intent again, right? Ask yourself, right? You want to ask yourself these few questions. Does this particular keyword match the blog niche and audience? Number one. Number two, you want to ask yourself, what type of content is ranking for these keywords? Are they article content? Are they video content? Are they product pages? Because they are looking for best price or best iPhone price in Nigeria. Is it going to be, are there articles ranking for it? Or a phone review? Are there articles ranking for it, or videos or text? So these are the things you want to check. Content type. Next thing you want to check is the keyword informational, transactional, or navigational. You want to make sure you're checking this as well. The next thing you want to do now, I said, if you want to focus, if you want your blog traffic, right, focus on informational and commercial investigation keyword. I've said this thing before, right? Informational, how to's, especially the people also search and people also search, people also ask and people also search. Right now, the next step, which is step 2, is analyze the competition. Now you want to check the domain authority. I've showed you how to check domain authority. So there is this tool which, of course, you can use to check your domain authority. It's called I have quite a lot going on. It's called ZuluRank. So this is a free tool, right? You can use to check your domain authority of your competitor. All you just need to do, you just need to come here and click tools. Right, you have to sign up. Then what you want to do, you want to check domain authority. You just come here and click domain authority. This is how to check it. Then you select the site. Select any site. If you don't have a site, you click on manage to impute your site. You click your manage, add the site you want, then you add it. But over here I already have sites, so I'm just going to select the particular site I want to do this one. So if you see here, these guys, they have 49 domain authority. They have 49. So for us to check that it's correct, let's do SMM follows. Right, let's check. Let's do this. Let's check here. Domain authority, yes, 53, which is almost the same thing. 49, 53, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 5 difference. Let's check SEMrush. Let's see what SEMrush should give us. Domain authority, domain rank, 33. So on an average, so that between 30 to let's say between 30 to 53, which is still healthy. But these guys are giving us 49. This free tool here is giving us 49. So that one is giving us 53. So that one is giving us 39. Alright, let me be sure. Let me do a traffic analysis. Let me see if that is the really domain authority. got it. That's why I don't like SEMrush. Right, but basically this is what you want to just, so if yeah, so this is the tool I use. You use this one or you use this one to just give you an average. Most times you don't really need it for anything per se. It's not like you're going to use it to, it's not like it's going to affect your SEO strategy, but you just want to know, right? Just want to know. You use tools like Moz, Href, and Ubersuggest to see if it has low, if the sites have low domain authority. If on forums, Quora, or small blogs appear, it's a good sign, right? So what this particular thing means is if a particular keyword is appearing, people are searching for it on forums, on Quora, is also appearing on small blogs, which is a good sign for you, right? Check the quantity, check the content quality, the content quality of top ranking page. So for example, you want to write on Nigerian foods, right? You want to write on Nigerian food. Now you want to check the first 3 blogs, what they are writing on. The first 3 blogs they are ranking for it. Check the content. So if you see here, this person has image talking about the food. So we have 1 jollof rice. So this one is linking, jollof rice, tuwo shinkafa, no image on tuwo shinkafa. This is fufu, looks like my favorite. Afan soup is eba. Now, to save you all this stress, you want to just use this tool. That's why I said the tool is important for you. Ubersuggest. Detailed SEO. So for detailed SEO, so for this blog, right, you're saying this is the blog title, 21 traditional food to transport you to Africa, or basically 21 traditional food that will make you go to Africa. Cool. Want to enjoy the traditional food of home or learn about another culture? Make one of these Nigerian food a taste. Make one of these Nigerian dishes for a taste of West Africa. I don't understand what all these people write most times. So that's not our business. So if you see here, this is the heading. So if you see the heading, Nigerian food, the H2s, jollof rice, tuwo shinkafa, fufu, afan eba, eforiro, nkwobi, ogbono, suya, moi moi. It's not moi, it's moi, moi. Right, so if you see here, they have quite lots of keywords that they want to target in their H2, which is a good sign. Right, so basically this is what you want to do. Then the next thing is, right, you add this article, right? Are they in depth? So what it looks like over there, looking like is in depth, because if you see here, there are quite the numbers of quite deep with their linking. If you see here, okay, this one is 2029. It's ranking, it's still getting traffic 2029. Let's see what that guy is doing. Alright, while we wait. Alright, the next thing is check the search volume and the SEO difficulty. I've showed you how to do that before. Right, with Ubersuggest, with SEMrush, with Keyword Finder. Monthly search volume, aim for 500 plus. Right, 500 plus, a good way to start. 1K ideally to get the bulk of traffic coming in. Right, keyword difficulty, aim for 20 less, 25 less if your blog is new. Alright, cost per click. Higher CPC means better monetization potential. I've explained it before. Right? So the next thing is find secondary and supporting keywords. So for example, best SEO tools. So let's do this. If you do best SEO tools here. If you see here, people are asking for best SEO tools for small businesses, best SEO tools for WordPress, best SEO tools for Shopify, best SEO tools free, best SEO tool for keyword research. Alright, so these are what people are searching for. So these are secondary keywords that you can decide to go after. So if you see here, best SEO tools, best SEO tools for beginners, best SEO tools for YouTube, best SEO tool for WordPress. So this is how you dig in. Alright. Free SEO tools, free tools for bloggers, SEO keyword research tools. Use Google people also ask. I've said that before. Check trend and seasonalities. So for this one is if you're doing your Shopify, right? You want to choose um Google Trends. That is a particular tool I used to check for spikes. So let me search Valentine. So Valentine has a search term. Why is it not okay? Let me search the whole world. Most times you know they rate Nigeria. Let's see the period in which Valentine has been coming out. Let's see Valentine sales. Let's see. So in between is always between. So if you see here, the spikes are always coming in from that. If you look here, Valentine's Day, the chart stem is not really up. This when people start talking about Valentine's Day, for example, right, starting from between, we start getting the spikes from 31st on the peak. Its peak is from 14th, which is the main day. Then start dropping down. Same thing here, and same thing here. So basically, like things like that, Black Friday, Mother's Day, and all of those school seasonal keyword. If you're writing a blog, right, you want to pay attention to the period of time where you're going to be doing more and doing less, right? So avoid keyword that spike and drop. Exactly, like Valentine, World Cup, Big Brother Nigeria, all those things are not really what is going to give you the sustained traffic. So example of when we say validating a keyword, let's validate best budget laptop in 2024. Best budgets. I know this is going to be a very, very healthy keyword. You see it, I just know. Let me see. I know. Devices. Let me see now. I just pray. I'm not sure. I'm waiting for it to start to come out. So while we're waiting, right, let's validate. I've done that. Search information. Is it information now? Are users researching for laptops before you buy? Right? Competitors analysis. Top results include some forum posts, low competition. Some articles lack updated information. Search volume. Right? So for competitor analysis, basically you want to check this. Search volume and difficulty. Let's see. Hey, no Rachel. It's in Nigeria. Let's look at the keyword basically. Let's scroll down and see what people are searching for. Let's hunt. See best laptop in 2024. Let's scroll down and see. We'll see something. Let's say HP. Let's say HP laptop for students. Let's see what people are searching. Okay, let's see this HP Spectra. More like this is more like a commercial. Okay, this is more like a commercial. But people are searching for it. Right. So basically I want to look at the forum. Let me see if this is on any forum. Not on any forum at the moment. This is looking like a transactional keyword because at the moment it's looking like okay, I want to buy HP Spectra. Let me go and check for Google and see what people are saying about it. Let me say HP Spectra review. So review now, I want to exactly know what exactly it is. Okay, so it's on forums, discussions on forums, it's on forum. Let's see the search difficulty. See here, cost per click very very low, which is not a healthy keyword. So exactly this is how you check for them, right? So supporting keywords: best budget laptop under 500k, best gaming laptop under a budget, top affordable. So all these are examples, right? So by the end of the class, I'm going to give you. Okay, so let me spot one already. Let me spot one. PayPal games. So this keyword is 100% USA. Alright, let's see what people are searching for in PayPal games. Let's go down. So if you see here, this says free PayPal games that pay real money fast. You see the cost per click? Crazy. $4. Very, very powerful. That kind of keyword that I want to go in out for. See the SEO difficulty 15, good opportunity. See the search volume 590, good opportunity. Right? That's kind of a keyword you want to be going out for. Alright, so in the next section, we're going to be looking at how to structure SEO optimized blog posts. How to structure your SEO optimized blog posts. Right? See you in the next one, and we're going to be using real-time examples. We're going to be using examples from websites we'll get online. Right? See you in the next one. Cheers.